It's your party too? It's your You want to hold this for me? He doesn't want to hold it. Here we go. You hold it for me. Yes. It's going to be okay. They have to give it back because
it's a birthday suit. Just want you. Let me say that. Want you.
Hey, hey, hey. Let's go. Hey.